Hi YouTube, and see this game right here? Well, I fucking hate it. So see, it's in the fucking toaster. Just gonna put it in there, and now we're gonna wait. That fucking game gets destroyed. We're just gonna wait. Reason why I hate this game because it has no fucking logic whatsoever. It's just complete bullshit. And I wonder if you could see what's happening to the disc there, but it's in the fucking toaster. I hate this goddamn game. Let's take it out. And look at it. Oh my god, this is fucking... It basically turned, well, I don't know how to say this, but like... Fuck, alright. Fucking like, so bendable. And now I'm gonna get a bowl. Just hold on. Okay, so I got my bowl. Put the disc in there. I see that microwave? Yeah, it's going in there. Put the disc up. Now, let's go for, what do you guys want to go for? I'll go for 5 minutes. You guys can, skip to when, I take it out. But, yeah. Just gonna wait for 5 minutes. And now I saw something happening. So, oh my god, look what happened to this game. Oh my god, look at it. It's all whoa. Okay, well, never mind. It's not going in there for 5 minutes. Probably gonna melt by then. But actually, yeah, we'll go for the extra 5 minutes. Let's see it melt. Fucking hate this game. Deserves what it's getting right now. God-forsaken game. Just gonna get a closer look and see if anything else has happened. Let's see what's happened now. Or it's the same thing. Yeah, it's not going anywhere else. It's gonna just stay like that. So oh my god! And I also burnt a hole through my my bowl here. So yeah, it's just burnt everything. Look at it. That happened. This happened. Yeah, Black Ops 2, you deserve this. And so I'm just that's the end. It's not gonna melt, so just yeah. Bye.